at it once again. Do I gotta keep saying the same thing to it?
Get right into
Get right into it. Let's get it. We have this beautiful custom SLS AMG.
Like crazy. And you know what the trick is? You can't do the convertible with the doors that swing out like a normal car. You gotta do the coupe with the golden door. One is 150, one is 350.
Yeah, that's why you pay extra. This is a throwback to the old school Mercedes, and obviously you got the custom Louis V door jambs done correct. Solar beam yellow.
Color PPF, yeah.
It's like paint. It's actually flawless.
Very nice.
Look where the sun hits it. Insane.
Professionally done. Paired with 3-piece custom wheels with a custom finish. Okay.
Crazy.
21's in the rear, 20's in the front.
Crazy stance.
Crazy stance.
So you get the 20, 21. I love that look, especially like turbo S's.
Yeah.
The shorter back cars.
Yeah, 100%. That's the way
Insane.
to go, you know?
Yeah, 2021.
Carbon
Side skirt.
Carbon rear diffuser, carbon front lip.
I love this.
Spoiler,
I love this.
everywhere inside and outside. A full carbon everywhere.
And the red.
Carbon.
Red is phenomenal in here.
Yeah, bro, this is the car to have.
Yeah, you got the updated steering wheel, which is actually so nice.
Yeah. It takes away from that outdated look of the old.
That's what it is, yeah. And you got a massive carbon piece right here.
So everything
Look
like
at that.
Look at how far back I am in terms of the car. Like as a driver, I should be up here, not all the way back here.
Yeah. The engine sits right here in these things, not up here. It sits way back there. Look at that.
It's insane for an engine to sit like
To sit that far. And you look at the wheels, right? The wheels sit here.
all this and no engine.
Yeah, and then the engine sits there.
Engine is, you know?
Right above the wheels.
Yeah, from here to here, bro.
Sits there, which improves the handling,
Yeah.
improves performance, and the balance of the car. Next thing is, let's get right into that drive.
Updated steering wheel, different dash, different cluster, and then these are all different here. You get the wing, the spoiler that goes up, AMG button, different modes.
Drive
you know
mode,
what I mean?
yeah. Classic AMG.
Classic. When you drive by in a car like this, you know what I mean? Like, come on. Yeah. Look at this. It doesn't get any better than this. Then we can just switch it up to sport. Even normal drive is sick, but if you do sport, and then sport plus.
ridiculous.
Alright, bro, that's what it is. It sounds exotic.
It sounds so angry. Those downshifts are insane. Yeah. I've always had a thing for these cars. The way it just hugs the road is crazy.
Such a boss car, you know?
What a machine.
How does it feel
Oh, it's
to be back behind the wheel of an AMG? But not just any AMG, bro. Come on.
SLS.
SLS
this is
AMG.
one car, like even looking at it, you appreciate it.
Yeah,
Driving
exactly.
it, and in this spec, everything's done up, right? It's not a stock one.
No, it's not.
This is what I love about the car community. You have guys like this buy these cars that are amazing, and then they just little things lower, the right tires, right wheels,
Yeah,
the right
exactly.
color. So punchy. You got the shift lights here too.
Yeah. So what do you think?
Insane. This era of cars, that's what it's about.
100%.
The enjoyment. That's why they keep going crazy up in price. What did you put me in, bro? What did you put me in?
Yeah, it just wants to go for
Not even close to the red line.
sure. No, I know. This car.
What a beautiful machine. This is addicting.
It is, huh?
So addicting.
You understand people's appreciation for this car after driving it, you know?
Yeah. I'm in love with those downshifts, man. Those downshifts.
What do you think?
Oh, you get me out of this car before I run away with it, man. This is actually.
And then the other sick feature and the other big flex. Yeah.
I hit that.
The way that door, yeah, the way the door goes up.